Hello, and welcome to C3 Task 6. My name is Halima, and today I will be going over 3 STEAM principles you will need to know for this challenge. These include science, engineering, and math. First, we'll be discussing science. The science tier of STEAM can be broken down into 3 parts: the natural, formal, and social sciences. Natural sciences include disciplines such as chemistry, biology, and physics, whereas the formal sciences include disciplines like statistics. The social sciences, on the other hand, include disciplines like psychology, sociology, and political science. Although all 3 may seem unrelated at first, what unites them is their use of observational and experimental techniques based on objective methods to develop an understanding of the world. So here are some ways that you can incorporate science into your Rube Goldberg machine. So for example, you could use the experimental method to test different materials to determine which would work best for your purposes. So for example, if you want to drop something fragile, you could look at which materials would be best to soften the fall. And you could also test different slopes to see which would give you the desired speed. Next, we'll be talking about engineering. The engineering tier of STEAM refers to the process of designing and building different machines and structures. This discipline looks at how different inventions can be built or how existing structures or machines can be improved upon to solve different problems. Some ways you can incorporate it into your Rube Goldberg machine include building a pulley system, building a bridge or ramp, or even building a vehicle to transport something. Finally, we'll talk about math. The math portion of STEAM refers to the science of number, quantity, and space. In simpler terms, it is essentially the study of numbers and their relationships to each other and the world. It includes disciplines like geometry, algebra, calculus, and much more. A way you could incorporate math into your Rube Goldberg machine could be determining the speed of a ball at different points. You will need to include these 3 aspects along with the 2 other tiers of STEAM in your Rube Goldberg machine. Hopefully these videos provide you with a better understanding of what they are all about. Good luck with this challenge!